I now want to turn to some breaking news as neighbors have been evacuated from an area after a serious crash that involved a propane truck.
We've shown you these live pictures from Chopper 9. This is over Trumpet Branch Road in Iredell County there, and you can see they're having to burn off propane that this truck that flipped over was carrying. That's the safest thing to do right now to get that burned off. Channel 9's Susanna Black is live there on the ground, and I'm imagining quite a sight from your standpoint, Susanna.
Yeah, so Scott, they were having to burn off 700 gallons of that propane that spilled after that fuel truck overturned and went off the side of the road. It's laying on its side a little bit past the fire truck behind me, but I want to step out of the way so you can see the flames from where they are having to very slowly and intentionally burn this off. And I talked to the emergency coordinator here, and he told me that that's because this propane could freeze. It's very, very cold, so they're just having to be very, very slow about this. And initially they said that this might take about 12 hours, but now he's telling me that this could go on until Thursday morning. So we've spoken with neighbors here. One couple told us that they were just allowed back into their home, but there are about 3 homes that are still evacuated because gas is still leaking out of this truck, and the emergency coordinator says that makes this a hazardous area. So we're going to keep tabs on the situation and find out how long this is going to take, when those neighbors are going to be allowed back in their homes. But right now, all of Union Grove's fire department is here on scene, and it's going to be a long New Year's Eve night. Scott?
All right, Susanna, thank you for that live update.